You think you know tires? Think again, because chances are you've fallen for at least one of these dumb myths that are silently draining your wallet, or worse, putting your life at risk. From the big lie about low-profile tires making your car faster, to the complete nonsense people believe about tire expiration dates, these 11 myths are everywhere, and today we're busting them wide open with real facts that car dealerships, tire shops, and even your car guy friend don't want you to know. Stick around till the end, because myth number 1 is the one even mechanics still get wrong, and it could be why your tires wear out 3 times faster. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Pro and smash that like button so you don't fall for another car myth ever again. Let's roll. Myth number 1, you only need to check tire pressure in winter. Let's bust this right away. Tire pressure isn't just a cold weather concern, it's a year-round issue. In fact, during summer, hot roads and rising temperatures can cause your tire pressure to increase dangerously. Overinflated tires can reduce traction, cause uneven tread wear, and increase your chances of a blowout at highway speeds. And underinflated tires? They waste fuel and make your engine work harder. So if you're not checking your tire pressure every month, no matter the season, you're leaving your safety and your fuel economy up to chance. Here is a quick tip. Always check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, preferably in the morning. Myth number 2, tires with more tread always perform better. Sounds logical, right? But here's the catch. Tread depth isn't everything. In fact, performance tires with less tread are often designed for better grip on dry roads and during cornering. More tread doesn't always mean better performance. It depends on the road condition. Deep treads are great in snow or off-road, but can actually reduce handling on dry pavement. Myth number 3, you can visually check tire pressure. If you're one of those people who just walks around your car and thinks, yeah, those look good, you're doing it wrong. Tires can be 10 psi underinflated and still look totally normal to the eye. That's like walking around with a slow leak in your fuel tank and wondering why your mileage sucks. Myth number 4, all tires are the same size if they fit. Just because a tire fits your rim doesn't mean it's the right tire. Using incorrect size or speed-rated tires can mess with your speedometer, destroy your suspension, and even void your car's warranty. Not to mention, it can seriously screw up your vehicle's ABS and traction control. Remember, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations in your owner's manual or on the driver's side door sticker. Myth number 5, you don't need to rotate tires if they look fine. Think your tires look evenly worn? Think again. Tires wear differently depending on their position. Front tires wear faster because they handle most of the braking and steering. If you don't rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, you'll end up replacing 2 tires way before the other 2, costing you more in the long run. Rotate regularly, save money, and keep your grip solid. Myth number 6, low-profile tires are always better for performance. Low-profile tires may look cool and feel more responsive, but they're not always better. They sacrifice comfort, increase the risk of rim damage on potholes, and can be terrible in snow or rain. If your roads are rough or you drive in mixed weather, low profiles might be a terrible choice. So unless you're racing on smooth pavement, don't fall for this myth. Myth number 7, overinflating tires saves gas. Yes, overinflated tires do reduce rolling resistance slightly, but at a huge cost. They also reduce your contact patch with the road, meaning you'll have less traction and longer braking distances. Not to mention, they wear out unevenly and faster in the center. So don't trade safety for a few extra miles. It's not worth it. Myth 8, you don't need a wheel alignment unless the car pulls. Your steering might feel fine, but misalignment can still silently ruin your tires. Even slight misalignment can cause edge wear that shortens tire life dramatically. Plus, your fuel economy takes a hit. So yes, get an alignment check at least once a year or whenever you get new tires. Think of alignment like chiropractic care for your car. Fix it before it hurts. Myth number 9, mixing tire brands is totally fine. While technically legal, mixing tire brands or models can mess up your car's handling, especially in emergency situations. Different tires have different traction levels, sidewall stiffness, and tread patterns. This means your car could behave unpredictably when turning or braking hard. Not all tires play well together. Keep your set uniform for best performance. Myth 10. Spare tires can be driven like regular tires. Nope. That little donut spare is only meant for short distances and lower speeds. Driving long distances on a donut can ruin your differential and lead to unsafe handling. Myth 11. If it ain't flat, it's fine. This one might be the most dangerous. Just because a tire isn't visibly flat doesn't mean it's okay. You could have internal damage from hitting a pothole or curb that weakens the sidewall. And trust me, a blowout at 70 miles per hour is not something you want to experience. If you feel vibrations, hear strange sounds, or notice handling changes, get those tires checked immediately. So, how many of these myths did you fall for? Be honest. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. If you learned something today, smash that like button to help others avoid these dumb mistakes too. Subscribe to Car Care Pro for more brutally honest car advice that actually saves you money. And remember, the smarter you are about tires, the safer and cheaper your drive becomes. See you in the next video. Drive smart, stay safe,